Hit the like button before you leave. Jamaica is steadily recovering from Hurricane Melissa, with the government optimistic due to recovery efforts, strong economy, and improved security. Murders saw a substantial reduction in 2025 compared to 2024. However, road fatalities increased in December 2025, bringing the total for 2025 higher than 2024. Hunger and makeshift shelters remain challenges post-hurricane. The United States pledged additional millions for hurricane recovery. Stolen relief items destined for Jamaica were recovered in Canada. Reggae musician Jimmy Cliff passed away and was honored in Jamaica. The government approved a tax-free grant for workers impacted by Hurricane Melissa. A leptospirosis outbreak was declared following the hurricane, and health officials are urging prevention. Let's take a quick commercial break. We'll be right back. Jamaica Health Box Natural Wellness, straight from the island to your home. Discover herbs, vitamins, and holistic blends designed to support energy, digestion, immunity, and everyday balance, made with a Jamaican-inspired approach to health. Shop now, www.jamaicahealthbox.com. Jamaica Health Box. Feel good, live clean. And we're back. Thanks for sticking with us. Ski racing triplets are aiming to represent Jamaica at the Winter Games. Earthquake Awareness Month is being observed due to numerous earthquakes recorded. Tourism saw a surge in the last quarter of 2025. A minimum wage hike is scheduled for March 2026. A road and transport upgrade has begun in Kingston. Additional security forces have been deployed in response to violent crime. Jamaica has entered a renewable energy agreement. A program to provide tablets to students has been launched. Alerts were issued following a rise in dengue fever cases. The Jamaican dollar has remained relatively stable. Plans are underway for Reggae Month in February 2026. Jamaican athletes are preparing for the World Athletics Championships. Thanks for listening. Please like, share, and subscribe. Visit www.jamaicahealthbox.com to heal your body and cleanse. Your health is your wealth. Share this video.